Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is another area in Abia that I haven't shown you before. So this is around Clifford Road by East, and then we'll be heading down to School Road by East, and there are so many by East along this road. And from here I'll be heading down to Ngwa Road, and I'm going to be showing you guys how this part of Abia looks like in January 2026. So as when I was shooting this video, the weather wasn't bright, so bear with me guys if some part of the video, not all the parts, if some part of the video is not clear. So this is School Road by East, and this is what it looks like in 2026. And then maybe the school over there is the reason why it's called School Road. I don't know. But most times when a road or a street is called School Road, most times you learn your focal name was on there. So there are a lot of old structures and about very old buildings, and these are another school still in the School Road. So yes, the name befits the area because I have seen at least 2 schools along this road now. So as I was saying, there are a lot of old structures, old buildings in Abia, and I also noticed there are a lot of 5-decking, 4-decking buildings. Unlike we have in Ngwa, we have such buildings in Ngwa, but not as much as you have it in Abia. Of course, too much money they Abia, so erecting these buildings is not something that will be difficult for the big men. This is Ndoki by East. Like I said, this road, you have so many by East along this road. Clifford Road by East, School Road by East, and now Ndoki by East again. So from here now we're going to be linking up to Ngwa Road, and the Ngwa Road is very busy, because should I even say that the Ngwa Road is a market? Like there's a market in Ngwa Road. I don't know if I'm right to put it that way, or should I just say that there's a lot of buying and selling here along the Ngwa Road. As you can see, both clothes. Some of the clothes are made in Abia because textiles. A lot of Aqua. So a lot of made in Abia products, you get them here, ranging from clothes, underwears, and name it. Apart from clothes, so they sell other things here too. I also saw people selling foodstuffs. You see hustlers. A lot of hustlers are here. Mandebu, Fradi, Nunu, Nishi, tomato, fruits, meat, and you notice that they have their umbrella. The umbrella you're seeing is like a shade. The big umbrella is a shade for the people selling here along the Ngwa Road. It's kind of beautiful. I really like how the place is. You can just come here and buy what you want to buy, and then you go your way. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Now along this road you see street lights too. There are a lot of street lights. They haven't passed through this road at night, so I don't know what here looks like in the night. Iwuru side, if you're from Abia and you know this Ngwa Road very well, please can you tell me how this place is in the night? These markets, maybe because of the street lights now, I'm thinking maybe the market, they will still be operating even in the night based on say street lights. I don't know. So if you know, you can also tell us in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. So here it's like the movement here is on. You have to just wait for the tricycle to pass, because as you can see with the way people are selling close to the road, it has made the road to become narrow. You understand? So sometimes you have to wait for one tricycle to pass before you can pass. A lot of people, Abia population, a lot of people are here doing business. A lot of people are here cashing out. Some of these people are seen here doing business here. They're doing a lot of transaction here in this market along the Ngwa Road. Now if you go down this Ngwa Road, there's a market they call, I think is it everyday market or onions market. So like Abia is just buying and selling, business. This is the commercial hub of Abia State, where the high volume of businesses, high volume of business, goes on in the state. Other places in the state too, they do business, but Aba is like major concentration of markets, big markets in West Africa. You find them here, like the Area International Market and some other markets too, that are not quite popular but are very big. So this is the commercial hub of Abia State. So you can watch the video down to the end if you want to see how the other side of Ngwa Road looks like in January 2026.